How to fix Roblox reset password unknown error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox reset password unknown error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and then just scroll down here, scroll all the way down until you find Roblox. This one here, click on it, and now go to storage, clear cache, and then go to go here, and here we'll find force stop, click on it, and that's it. Now just to go back and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.